Hi everyone, welcome back to the second video of Knowing Our Numbers. In this section, we will learn about International System of Numeration and Rounding of Numbers. The International System of Numeration consists of periods and places. Up to million, there are three periods. Each period have three places. From the ones period, we will see now. The ones period have three places, ones, tens, hundreds. The thousands period have three places, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Million period have three places, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Look at the chart. The chart contains up to billions. The billions has three places, 1 billion, 10 billion, and 100 billions. In the section, we will study about number up to billion. How to insert comma in International System of Numeration. For example, I have written a number 876427998. When you are inserting comma, you have to start from the right direction of the number. For example, I'm going to read the number from the right side. 899724678. The first comma will be right after 3 digits according to the place value chart. The second comma will be after 6 digits according to the place value chart. Similarly, second sum. Writing number names in International System of Numeration. For example, 465123. The 465 is in thousand period, so 4 is in hundred place, the 6 in tenth place, the 5 is ones place. So 4 into 100, 400, 6 into 10, 60, 5 into 1, 5, 465. So the 465 in thousand place, so 465,000. Next, the digits 1, 2, 3 is in units period. 1 is in 100 place, 2 is 10th place, 3 is ones place. So 123. Together 465,123 is the number name of the given number. Example 2. The number I'm going to read from the left side. 67456543876. The digits 6 and 7 is in the billion period. The 6 is in the 10th place, the 7 is ones place. 6 into 10 plus 7 into 1, 67. The 67 is in the billion period, so 67 billion. Next, 456 is in the million period. 4 is in 100 place, 5 is in 10th place, 6 is in the ones place. So 456 is in the million period, so 456 million. 543 is in the thousand period, so 5 is in the 100 period, 4 is in 10th period, 3 is the ones period. So 543 is in thousand period, so 543,000. Last three digits 876. The 8 is in 100 place, the 7 is 10th place, the 6 is in ones place, equal to 876. So how to read the numbers? 67 billion 456 million 543,876. Next, we will see about rounding off. Definition of rounding off. What is a rounding off? Rounding means making a number similar but keeping its value close to what it was. The result is less accurate but easier to use. The rules of rounding off numbers. Decide which is the last digit to keep. Leave it the same if the next digit is less than 5. This is called rounding down. But increase by 1 if the next digit is 5 or more. This is called rounding up. There are other ways to round numbers, but this is the most common. There are 4 kinds of rounding of numbers in this section. First one, how to write nearest 10, how to write nearest 100, similarly 1000 and 10,000. First problem, rounding up the number 74 to nearest 10. We want to keep 7 in the 10th position. The next digit 4, which is less than 5, so no change is needed to 7. Answer is 70. Actually 74 got rounded down. Second example, rounding of number 678 to nearest 100. We want to keep the 6 in the 100th position. The next digit 7, which is more than 5, so their change is needed to 6. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 according to the rule. So answer is 700. 678 got rounded up. Example 3. Rounding up the number 5321 to nearest 1000. We won't keep the 5 in the thousands position. The next digit 3 is less than 5, so there's no change is needed to 5. Answer is 5000. 5321 got rounded down. Next example. Rounding up numbers 67,854 to nearest 10,000. We won't keep the 6 is in the 10,000 place. The next digit 7 is more than 5. So their change is needed to 6. According to the rule, 6 plus 1, 7. Answer is 70,000. 67,854 got rounded up. Estimate the given number 3455 plus 456 to nearest 100. In 3455, the digits 455 is nearest to 500. So 3000 plus 500, 3500. In 456, the digit is nearest to 500. So 3500 plus 500 is equal to 4000. 4000 is the nearest value of the given sum. Estimate the number 67,856 minus 23,456 to nearest 1000. Solution. In 67,856, the digits 7,856 is nearest to 8,000. Because 8 is more than 5, so we will add 1 to the 7. That's why 8,000. So already 60,000 plus 8,000 is equal to 68,000. In second number, 23,456, the digits 3,456 is nearest to 1000. Reason is 4 is less than 5. So there is no change in 3. So 3000. Already 20,000. Now 3000. Together 23,000. Therefore answer is 68,000 minus 23,000 equal to 45,000. Estimate the product. 345 into 675 to nearest 100. 345 is nearest to 300. Reason is the 4 is less than 5. So there's no change in 3. 675 is nearest to 700. Reason is the 7 is more than 5. When more than 5, we will add 1 to the 6. 6 plus 1, 700. So 300 into 700 is equal to 21,000. In this section, we learned international number system, how to insert comma in international number system, how to write number names, then estimate or rounding of numbers. In estimate or rounding of number, there are 4 kinds of rounding of numbers: nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000, and nearest 10,000. By using estimate, fifth problem discussed. In next video, we will learn about Roman numerals and distributive property. Thank you.